Start by applying 2 coats of the wine red gel color and cure the nail between the coats. Apply a thin coat of the matte top coat and cure the nail for 60 seconds when you are done with the application. Before applying Fenix charm on the nail, apply a good amount of nail glue so that it sticks firmly to the nail. Cure the nail when you are done. Apply matte top coat to the nail, but try to avoid getting any matte top coat on the Fenix nail charm, and then cure the nail. On the second nail we will apply the solid gel blue color on the upper part of the nail. Apply as much color as you want or until you are satisfied with the shade. Here you should not harden the nail, just press it down to the nail. Apply matte top coat on the nail and cure the nail when you are done with the application. Apply nail glue where you will apply rhinestones, flower charm, and caviar beads. Cure the nail when you are done. Finish the nail design by applying matte top coat and cure the nail when you are done with the application. On the third nail, it is the same base as the first nail. I have already applied nail glue on the nail and now I will apply nail decoration on the nail. Cure the nail for 60 seconds when you are done. I use a thin brush to get all the details on the nail design with matte top coat. Cure when you are done for 60 seconds. On the fourth nail I have already applied nail glue and then I apply the nail decoration to the nail. Don't forget to cure the nail when you are finished with the application. Finish the nail design by applying matte top coat and cure the nail. On the last nail, we will add some nail decoration for the last time and I have already applied nail glue to the nail. Finish the nail design by applying matte top coat and cure the nail when you are done after the nail application. I hope you have learned something from this nail art tutorial. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on so you not miss any tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.